Channel. So today we are going to discuss Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. We'll start with Nifty. Okay, so Nifty is still stuck between August month support and resistance. So this is August month. Clearly you could see this is our resistance for August month and support for the August month. Week 1, 2, 3 and 4 I have dissected. So you could see open was here and then close was here. So almost it was the positive decay month for August, and September is starting here. So this is September and week 1 day 1, that is on Friday. Okay, so you could see the price action. It is at the important, so here break of the structure could happen anytime because of the news, USA news. I think market can have the opportunity to go fall down and collect all the SL which is available in the downside. So let's wait and watch. And also you should see the call writing is done heavily for Nifty. Okay, now we'll move on to Bank Nifty. So here also Bank Nifty, so when you check August month, so already the support has been broken. Okay, so here this is August month. You could see open was here, close was here. So this was the positive decay. Again open was here, close was here. This was the positive decay. So this is having the monthly expiry pattern, and then here open and close. So this was also a positive decay. But the third week you could see it was straight down. It would have ended in the positive decay, but on one condition, all the SL is gone. Okay, so you could see it was drifting down. This becomes the major support of August, and then let's see if it is going to go down, because call writers are already heavily done for the September month. Okay, we'll move on to the OI, and the same pattern you have to follow for Finnifty as well as Midcap Nifty. Okay, I'm skipping that because it's just a homework for you. So here you could see on the negative side we have M&M Reliance Finnifty 2% for a Infosys Infi 2%. I'm sorry. ITC, Shriram Fin and BAIL are 2 1% 1% up. Shriram Fin, probably this is having the profit booking, so because last week it had a drastic fall, I remember that. Okay, now pre-open you could see it was a flat open and then not much of a price action. Bank Nifty was also a flat open. When you check all, it was giving us a sideways vibe. Okay, wait. So basically this is Friday's data, guys. We have to analyze Friday in order to know or understand what's Monday is going to bring on the table. So 900 and 600, as I told you, it's almost showing us the sideways vibe. Okay, so here we are checking the FII data. Let's do the, so this is FII data. Let me just change the color because so you could see they are bearish, and when it comes to stocks, they are bullish. And again for the this one, yeah, they are bearish. Okay, 18 and 193. So this is, sellers are heavily built up than the buyers. So short, this is resistance 49, and this becomes the put short was the support and 24. So here also resistance is way more than the support. Okay, this could be because of the USA news. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Let's not get deep dive into the what do you say, politics, because we'll keep it simple and sleek. We rely on OI as well as price action, so we'll stick on to that. Okay, so for September we don't have any news for the first week, so we'll move on. So 4th September we have ONGC dividend, so that can cause the price action drift. September month we don't have any holidays. We'll shift to the overall OI. And then in the overall way, as I told you, resistance is clearly more for Nifty. Let's check for the monthly positions as well. Monthly positions, though, they are being sideways, so yeah, we have to wait and watch if market's going to take a reversal or going to bleed more. Okay, so here Bank Nifty it is giving us a sideways vibe. Okay, now we'll go to the straddle point. Important to check the straddle as to a small price action comparison. So Nifty open was 450 if I'm not wrong, and it was a positive day. Okay, so let's wait. So this is Nifty price action. So I'm going to actually keep it in 1 hour time frame so that we can understand the better way. So you could clearly see that how support and resistance are acting. Open for Nifty is 450 definitely. Okay, so from 240 it came down to 168, which is definitely a positive decay. And let's move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty open was 600. Okay, where is 53 600? Yeah, here. Okay, now we will cancel out others. Okay, so here you could see it was a very good SL hunting opportunity here, and then the same it drifted down to almost 80. Okay, so we'll get the exact points. We'll take as 11600 is perfect, and we'll take 500 itself as a round number, so 100 points DK. So DK is positive 100, and then this is how open minus close is calculated. And one lot size for BNF is 35. They have changed it, so if you multiply this versus this, that is 3500 plus tax and brokerage. Okay, so it is indeed a profitable day for week 1, day 1, that is Friday. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you. I think pretty much I have covered everything. Okay, so that's it.